What up, people? I got a couple things that I got on a go-getting. If you know what go-getting is, you know where they came from. But I got a couple of unreleased products that I've got to share with you that are coming very, very soon from Crusher's Creations. But I'm just chilling out here on this beautiful Veterans Day weekend. Make sure that you guys reach out to a veteran or several and let them know how much you appreciate their service and for our freedom. I know that I'm very appreciative, and to all the veterans out there, thank you so much. I myself was in the military. I know what it means to be separated from family and things like that, and the sacrifices that are made, and I appreciate each and every one of you veterans that have done that for me. Thank you so much. But I've got some products that are coming from Crusher's Creations. So one is a brand new collab that's dropping, and it's going to be dropping this Friday, the 15th, with the collab king himself, Mo the Bearded Shark. That's my buddy, the official Bearded Shark on Instagram. You know who I'm talking about, my buddy Mo. We talk a lot, and I consider him a very, very good friend. But from what I understand, he had a profile in mind that he wanted Crusher to kind of dabble and play with, and he did. And Crusher's Creations absolutely nailed it from what I understand. I have not smelled it yet. I've got it sitting right here. I brought it home and purposefully did not smell it. But I did let my wife smell the butter, and she absolutely loved it. So you're about to catch my first impression and first reaction on Mo the Bearded Shark's new collab called Drunk Santa. All right, so let me go over. I've got a butter and an oil. Let me let you know a little bit about Drunk Santa. So it's going to be a wintertime Christmas scent. Drunk Santa is spiked eggnog, gourmet dark chocolate with a splash of peppermint. I've not smelled this yet, but I'm getting ready to. So like I said, this is dropping this Friday on the 15th. When I heard the profile, I was thinking, man, that's just something completely different. I'm not sure what that's going to smell like. So I let my wife smell it, and she just looked right dead in my face. She says, you're going to love that one. So we're about to find out if I'm going to love this one. Drunk Santa. Oh, that's good. It's so hard to smell out of that container. Let's get it out. Oh, wow. That is a chocolate. That's a very, very chocolate mint. I want to put that in if I can. At least a little mustache cheater for my boy Barbado Joe. Man, that is a really, really great. It's like a creamy. It's like a creamy Andes mint. The little green mints that they put on your pillow. That chocolate mint type thing. Really, really, really good scent in that. It's so crisp, cool, clean, upbeat, higher register. I really, really like that. Let me read that again. So that is spiked eggnog. I'm sure it's spiked with bourbon, and I'm not catching that off the bat. But that eggnog must be what is supplying that creaminess to me. Gourmet dark chocolate with a splash of peppermint. Man, that is a really, really, really good one. And I love these bottles. Check out that logo that he was blessed with. There's Mo the Bearded Shark's label right there with Crushers. So, wow. That's a really good scent. Let's see what the butter's doing. And if you don't know anything about Crusher's Creations, I've got several reviews on it. But let me at least hit on it one more time of his carrier oils. So Crusher uses oils that are really, really, they work really, really good for my beard. So what he's using is jojoba oil, castor oil, sweet almond oil, grapeseed oil, and hemp seed oil. The hemp seed oil edition that he did a couple months back really, really bumped the game up for that oil in my eyes. So let's see what this Drunk Santa is doing as far as the butter is concerned. And we all know Crusher's Butters is number one for me, for my beard. My beard loves its moisturizing properties. I love this butter. Wow, that is a really good scent. I am extremely jealous of you, Mo. That is a really, really good scent. So there is bad news about this. There's only going to be 30 released. I can't imagine that they would quit at 30. Smelling as good as I smell that it is out of the tin and out of the bottle. But only 30, and it's dropping this Friday the 15th. I'm hoping that maybe people really pick it up, and hopefully it might become a permanent part of the line. I know that I'm asking things that aren't in the plans, but for me, this is It's a very, very good scent. Very upper register, cool, crisp, clean, mint, with a bunch of cream behind it. Super good scent. Very good job, Brian. Very good job, Mo. Be very proud of that. And I love that. I can't show you that enough. Man, that's pretty daggone cool right there. Got a little Santa hats on the guys. And it's, of course, labeled as a utility butter. Very, very good. I can't wait to put that in. I'm probably going to be wearing this for the next few days. I've got something I'm testing out for a buddy that I should be spending time with, but I got to put it off a little bit. Drunk Santa's going to be me for the next few days. But listen, I got something else to go over with. Two things, actually. Just want to touch on this. A whipped brown sugar that Brian's been putting in some of his packages for free. I don't know the whole history or the deal behind that or how long it's going to last, if it's just temporary. But from what I understand, we're just going to call it whipped brown butter. He let me know a couple of the secrets, and I'm pretty sure he doesn't want me to tell it. But I don't believe it can be purchased. But that is a very, very, very good scent. I got a little bit on my nose. A very good scent. And it's nice. And it's his whip. Which, I mean, if you haven't seen it yet, I got a couple other videos on it. This is just a sample tin. This is a half full that he just kind of let me get because I wanted to try it. Oh, and it's so soft. His whip is so nice. So that's something to look forward to. I hope that he's doing more of those. And if he's not, I hate to speak on it if he's not. But anyhow, they're very good. When that whipped brown sugar is not just brown sugar. It's got some stuff in there, and it's really good. Now, something else dropping on the 15th that I hate to put in Mo's video, but I have to because they're both dropping on the same day. So, Brian is officially releasing his whip. Officially. And his very first whip butter product is going to be called Snow Cream. Alright, so let me put the old spectacles on and let you know what Snow Cream is about, and then I'll show it to you. Alright, so Snow Cream is a combination of a smooth, sweet cream and 2 rich vanillas. Sounds simple, right? I've already smelled this one. I know what it smells like. I, too, let my wife smell this. And the very first thing, she doesn't react very hard to scents. She just, good, bad, or whatever. But this one she got a hold of. Actually, both of them. It must be a good day for her. But this one she got a hold of. And she said that, oh my God, I want to eat it. So, Snow Cream being a combination of smooth, sweet cream and 2 rich vanillas. Man, that's so good. That is such a sweet treat. Not an overly sweet treat. It's more creamy than sweet at all. But wow. Wonderful. And this butter is, it seems like an improvement on what he's been doing. That is such a good feeling butter. And I know it looks weird for me to put my finger in butter. I'm not a big fan of those videos where people are digging at their butters, but whatever. Very, very good scent in Snow Cream. And that's big. I don't even know how big it is. It's a big old 4-ouncer, y'all. So Crusher's butters are normally 2.5 ounces. Get the top on it. But this one is a big old 4-ouncer in a nice little white plastic jar. Like that. I really like that. It's a Christmas, like a wintertime theme thing. Snow Cream. So don't miss coming up. Don't miss Drunk Santa. I'm probably going to go wash my beard right now and put Drunk Santa in right now. But also, Snow Cream is coming. Guys, don't miss these. They're very, very good scents. And you know Crusher keeps his prices low. He's doing a fantastic job with constant improvements and everything. Again, Mo and Brian, phenomenal job on that collab. I highly recommend that if you're in the market for a winter scent, Christmas scent, something like that, you need to check out Brian at Crusher's Creations and check out that collab. That collab is only going to be 30. Apparently, after 30 sets are gone, they're done. Maybe they'll change their mind. I can't imagine shelving that beautiful scent. But anyhow, guys, I just wanted to get that to you, let you know the good stuff that's coming up. Y'all take care of your beards and have a great one.